Do you like cars? Well, these inventions will suit you incredibly well, so stay tuned and find out. The Bolster Boost is an innovative patented side support cushion, a must-have gadget for your vehicle that'll perfect your driving skills and make you a more skilled driver. It holds you firmly in your seat, so you feel more connected and in sync with the vehicle. It generates a wide range of feedback to make you a more attentive and responsive driver. This gives you greater insight into how the car is behaving. By being firmly connected to the vehicle, you drive more safely and avoid unnecessary sliding in the seat. The Bolster Boost addresses the common problem that standard car seats are not designed for demanding cornering or high-performance driving. To provide maximum side support, the ideal angle of the side bolster is perpendicular, like custom racing seats. However, to accommodate all sizes, this side bolster is angled, creating a gap. The Bolster Boost fills this gap, creating a firm and perpendicular surface to lean on. It's a cost-effective alternative for those who want to improve their driving experience without having to invest in a racing seat that may not be practical for everyday use. A truly cool car accessory, the Bully Hitch Receiver mounted utility platform is a versatile utility step that makes it easy to access roof racks, truck beds, and SUV interiors. It fits all 2-inch hitch receivers and can double as a sturdy bumper protector. Rugged construction. This rugged hitch step is made of 16-gauge steel to withstand extreme compression. The high-impact rubber non-slip pad adds to the overall strength of the step, topped with a high-impact plastic non-slip pad. Universal fit. The utility bumper protector is designed to fit around standard 2-inch hitches. It'll fit most popular size hitch receivers. Early installation. The plug-and-play system makes installation quick and easy. Once installed, the multi-purpose utility step's rubber pad ensures users have a safe and comfortable foothold at all times. If you like this invention, get ready to be blown away by the next one. Trap mats, a technological innovation for your car, are car mats with a double-layer honeycomb structure that keep your vehicle clean and free of dirt. Made of ethylene vinyl acetate (EVA) material that is odor-resistant, waterproof, and antibacterial, trap mats are designed to keep your car floor clean. Custom fit to perfectly match your floor's floor, trap mats are the mats designed to keep your car clean and comfortable. Unlike average car mats that have no way to retain dust, dirt, and debris, trap mats provide an effective barrier against all contaminants, such as dirt, dust, bacteria, litter, and germs. Their patented design ensures that dirt and dust are trapped in the bottom layer, preventing them from circulating in the cabin air. All contaminants are trapped in the bottom layer, leaving the top layer clean. But let's talk about improvements. Let's move on because your car deserves to reach its peak, and the next product will fascinate you. Interested in the top-of-the-line automotive accessory? Safari's RMAX X Series Engine Control Unit, ECU, is designed to seamlessly integrate with your vehicle's original ECU to deliver significant power increases, improved torque, more responsive throttle response, improved fuel economy, and reduced turbo lag. All of this is backed by Safari's advanced engine protection systems. The RMAX ECU features 5 pre-calibrated maps to adapt to different user conditions, but can also be customized for specific applications. A quick and easy wiring harness makes installation efficient, and vehicle-specific mounting brackets complete the process. The Safari RMAX X Series ECU is presented as a complete solution, eliminating the need for additional upgrades or auxiliary units. This comprehensive system is designed specifically to optimize the performance of your 4x4 vehicle. The RMAX X Series ECU extends the duration of fuel injector opening and injection timing, allowing for increased diesel fuel flow into the combustion chamber. This increase in fuel translates into increase in pressure provided by the turbocharger, optimizing the air-fuel ratio. But if that didn't leave you speechless, this next product will. The Wi-Fi air system is more than just a conventional method of inflating and deflating tires. It's a smart car gadget, a comprehensive solution designed to meet all your construction needs. Not only does this system allow you to inflate all 4 tires in an amazingly fast 4 to 9 minutes, thanks to the efficient 3/8-inch high-flow air lines, but it also offers a host of additional features. Our 3/8-inch blue hose is rated at 170 psi for reliable, long-lasting performance. In addition, the comprehensive kit includes everything needed to display real-time tire pressure for all 4 tires while the system is running. The ability to deflate all 4 tires simultaneously speeds your return to the trail, saving you valuable time. Every component of this system has been carefully selected and tested to provide exceptional durability for decades to come. With the Wi-Fi Air system, you get not only speed and efficiency in tire inflation, but a complete and reliable solution for all your inflation needs. Pretty impressive, right? I bet you're impressed, but let's keep going because the excitement isn't over yet. Among the top car accessories we find is Zip Grip Go, the emergency traction device that helps you get out of sticky situations in snow, ice, or mud. Quick and easy to install, it fits most cars, SUVs, and trucks with tires up to 22 inches. It's also particularly effective on alloy and aluminum wheels, although it's not recommended for use on old steel wheels. The versatility and effectiveness of Zip Grip Go ensure that you're always prepared to tackle slippery terrain. It's not just an emergency solution, but a valuable tool for maintaining your mobility and peace of mind in any unexpected situation. In short, Zip Grip Go is your trusted companion to overcome winter obstacles with ease and safety. But if you're looking for something more robust, you'll love the next product. In this list of upgrades and gadgets for your vehicle, protect your cargo with the Flated Air Carrier Rooftop Cargo Bag, which offers 17 cubic feet, 25 cubic feet, and 20 cubic feet of space to secure and protect your cargo from road debris, sun, wind, and rain. Constructed of a special material that is not only durable, but also treated to repel water, your cargo will stay dry and secure even in adverse weather conditions. The Flated Air Carrier Roof Rack simplifies transportation and storage, eliminating the hassle of packing. It includes a high-pressure hand pump for quick and effortless inflation. Whether you're preparing for a road trip or a camping adventure, this carrier simplifies the entire process. When your trip is over, simply deflate the carrier and store it in the bag. Transporting and storing have never been easier. But for those who love what's new, what's current, and what's strong, the next product will fascinate you. Cutting-edge design. The innovative X-Brite front grille for Jeep JK not only serves as an effective repellent for the factory grille, but also elevates your vehicle's appearance to an aggressive and sophisticated level worthy of a modern gladiator. Constructed from high-quality ABS plastic, this grille not only ensures exceptional durability, but also exhibits outstanding impact resistance. The removable steel mesh adds a touch of ruggedness and personality. Forget about complications, as the grille installs directly without the need for drilling. Designed to be a perfect replacement for the factory grille, it fits precisely into the original mounting holes and light cutouts. Strips and clips are included for a complete and hassle-free installation. The raw matte black color not only gives the grille a modern look, but also allows for customization. You can easily prepare and paint the grille to match the color of your vehicle or to add a unique touch to your Jeep JK. Consider pre-treatment options such as sanding, cutting, filling, bodywork, and priming for even more standout customization. But if you want to know what quality is, the next product is the embodiment of it. The Mirex spare wheel carriers offer a versatile and robust solution for vehicles equipped with trailer hitches with a standard 2-inch receiver. These universal systems, with swivel and tilt capabilities, provide the convenience of transporting the spare wheel safely and efficiently to the rear of the vehicle. The ADR certification of the Mirex Gen 4 spare wheel carriers ensure that they meet safety and performance standards, allowing the user to maintain the vehicle's towing capacity of up to 2 tons even with the carrier installed. This versatility is essential for drivers who need to carry an extra spare wheel as well as towing loads. Manufactured entirely in Australia, these carriers are the result of quality engineering and are shipped directly to the user's door. The swivel and tilt capability adds flexibility to the design, allowing easy access to the trunk or rear door of the vehicle without having to remove the spare wheel. Sometimes products don't live up to expectations, but all the ones we've introduced have not only met but exceeded them, especially the last one. Want something cool for your car? These flag decals are not only an aesthetic accessory for your Jeep Wrangler JK, but they also provide an excellent solution for preventing and covering up the annoying dents that are common on the mirrors of these vehicles. This innovative approach not only adds a touch of style to your Jeep, but also protects it from the daily wear and tear that can affect the appearance and functionality of the mirrors. Applying the flag decal is a simple process that allows for quick and easy customization of your Jeep. You can also choose to paint the covers to perfectly match the color of your vehicle, offering stylistic versatility to suit your individual preferences. Whether you want to accentuate the flag or discreetly integrate the covers, this solution fits your unique style. Ease of installation is one of the key benefits of these covers. With automotive-grade 3M adhesive, application is secure and durable, providing a firm fit that lasts in a variety of conditions. Sold in pairs to ensure complete and symmetrical coverage for both mirrors and your Jeep Wrangler JK. If you like the products, give us a like for more videos.